workshop.
So after that, same thing. I-align, pero hindi nyo i-blend. After you align, ang gagawin natin, mask out. So ang pinakahuling labas niyan, eto na siya. Minask out ko na, and then tinanggal ko na yung background. Pwede? Papalak pa kayo. Pwede pala eh. Pag gine-jerk nyo siya, maganon yung tubig niya. Umaangat yung tubig niya. Di ba? Konting galaw mo lang, maangat yung tubig. Tapos huhulihin mo na lang. So, pag yan nakuha nyo, again. Yes.
Is there an advantage for the flat side or compared to those with glossy or metallic sheen?
Ang isang nagiging problem lang naman natin, ma'am, pag medyo shiny yung surface. So dapat flat yung surface. So either this one, o meron pa maraming klase ng ganito na flat yung surface. Basta siguraduhin yung white siya.
Yes, hello everyone! Upo natin si Sir Ricky Ladia. And what I learned earlier, sir, no? You said that it is very important to revisualize.
It's pre-visualize.
Pre-visualize.
You have to think first kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari dun sa picture. Kung ano yung gusto mong lumabas.
Ayun, so, as beginners nga gustong maging photographer, sir. At nakikita ko na kasi na magiging photographer ako someday na pre-visualize ko na. Ano po yung mga starter pack for beginners?
You can start with the XA series ng Fujifilm, or you can jump right dun sa XT30, which is yung entry level pagdating sa mas malalaking camera nila. Lens, you can start with kit lens, and you have to maximize first your gear bago ka mag-upgrade. So, dapat sayang naman yung pinambili mo, di ba, kung hindi mo gagamitin yun.
Yes, so...
Okay. So yun lang.
Okay, no, narinig nyo yun lang. Isang camera, then yung kit lens, maximize kung anong meron. So thank you very much, Sir Vicky! Bye-bye! Yeah! Siyempre, hindi ko makakuha video sa aton nga photographer locally diri sa Iloilo. Ash, meron yan!
Story has to be king. Siya yung gagawin mong hari. If there's no story, there's no point in creating. It can move someone, it can change a person, and that was my societal duty. Your photos need to have clear subject motivation. What do your characters seem like they're doing? That's the challenge, I guess, in photos. Kasi ang hirap, di ba? Paano mo gagawin? Wala nga silang dialogue. What I really like about this photo is the eyes of the kid. Hindi ko alam kung nagalit ba siya sa akin na pinicturean ko siya, or he's wondering what I was doing. Or tinatry niya siguro inggitin ako sa pagkain niya. This is an Ifugao sa viewpoint ng Batad Rice Terraces. Ito yung Batad Rice Terraces behind the Ifugao. This is Sigrid in Sagada. She was giving me a demo of her process in pottery. So Fuji, let's talk about the XT30. This is a beast of a camera, I swear. It's really small. That's one thing that I like about this. So I have a lot of accessories on it, the soft shutter button. One thing I like also about Fuji, very customizable. It has the same sensor of the XT3. It's bigger brother. That's why they call it the little giant.
Yay, everyone! everyone! Po natin subong si Khalil Ramos!
What's up?
Yes! Anong gid ko nakarelate gid ako as a storyteller, actor, and a filmmaker. So, kagina, he was talking sa iya nga journey sa pagiging photographer and how he became a photographer. So, amo na nga naging lecturer natin sila. And ngayon, Khalil, tanong sana ako kasi alam ko meron tayong mga youth ngayon na tulad din natin noon na mga lost souls.
Wow,
O,
okay.
diba? Ano ba yung maaari mong i-advise sa kanila para mahanap nila yung kanilang sarili?
Tiwala lang at may kakapitan kayo parate. Yun lang yun. Ang Diyos ang pinakamalakas na paniniwala nyo, kapitan nyo yun. Ang universe, yun ang kapitan mo. Kung yung hangin, yun ang kapitan mo. Kung yung magulang mo, kapitan mo. At magtiwala kayo sa kanila. Eventually, mahanap mo yung sagot sa lahat ng problema mo. At lagi ka lang dapat positive kasi mahanap mo din yan. May plano naman ng Diyos para sa inyo. Yun lang yun, kapit lang.
Yes, so everyone, kapit lang.
Thank
you
you.
very
Wow,
much and see you again back here in Iloilo. Bye-bye! Nagkita na naman kami. Ayan, po natin si Ma'am from Vlog Live. Yes, amuna na ang aton nga workshop with Fujifilm. Kung gusto nyo magbakal sang Fujifilm nga camera, kagari ka mo sa Festive Mall, visit Henry's Cameras. Thank you very much for joining me in this 2-week event. See you on my next video. Bye-bye! Mayo kayo nakakapit ka mo sa akong channel. Yan ang panginulat mo. Pinutan ang subscribe button